for me to make my first keen observation. Now, it seems to me you guys ain't done yet. Keen. Well, it turns out